Hi and welcome to VB Learning Zone, brought to you by me, your instructor Alex Headley. In this tech help video we're going to run through the dotnet CLI. So let's get to it. What is the dotnet CLI? Well, when you install dotnet, you get this dotnet exe, which allows you to run commands against your project. By default it'll be installed in C program files .net for Windows. It might be in a different location if you change the config, and of course .net being cross-platform, it can be on Windows, Linux and Mac. So if we double click .net exe, you can see it opens up and closes straight away. That's because we haven't passed it any commands. So if we go to the terminal, hopefully .net has been added to your path when you've installed it. If it hasn't, you might want to manually add that. Which means you can then run .net from anywhere in your terminal. So if we run .net, you can see that it's giving us some helpful information. So it's saying the usage of the .net command. You can see a .net and then pass it some options or arguments, or you can pass it a path to an application to actually run that application, which I'll show you in future videos. So you can see there's some top level options that you might want to get, help being the useful one. And then, as I said before, you can pass a path to an application or the DLL and you can get it to execute. So if we run .net-h, you can see that there are a number of different things that you can execute. So there's SDK options, the command options, and some arguments. So some useful commands for the SDK, a build, new to create a new project, publish. You probably want to run the app. See it in action, test the app if you've got some tests, and I'll be going through each of these in future videos. But for now we're just going to try some other commands. So we'll do version. As you can see, sometimes there's a single dash and a single letter, or there's the double dash and then the whole word. So if we say .net -- version, you can see that we have version 9 on my machine at the minute. .net 10 has been released recently, and I will be upgrading that and showing how to do that in a future video. But for now, that's the basics of the .net CLI, and it's a bit of an overview. If you want more information, you can go to Microsoft Learn. It has a full page on this and some more examples here, and individual pages on each of them, which I will be adding soon. So yeah, thank you very much. Hope to see you in the next one.